All right, as quickly as I can, I'm going to show you how to use Partnerhub free version. Then I'm going to show you Partnerhub Pro, and I'm going to give you some tips along the way. So here we go. This is a tech user's account in Partnerhub free. If you happen to be an agency watching this, try to find the agency user demo video. Your account looks a little different, but more or less the same. Up to you if you want to watch this one. But as a tech user, one thing to note that's important about Partnerhub is you are accessing and available in our ecosystem when you are a user of Partnerhub. That's different than most quote-unquote PRMs or tools that you use internally. That's why we have an application process, and we're very diligent and strict about who and how we let users in. So anyways, let's go through this. The first thing you're going to want to do is use these interest credits. They reset every single week. Interest credits are purposed for free users to express interest in agencies. You see the ones that I'm not connected with here are blurred out. That is for privacy, as well as another way for us to encourage you to unlock Pro, because in the Pro version it changes from show interest to request partnership as a CTA, and you see their agency name as well as you can search. So in this account, I'm going to do a filter because I know what types of users this account needs. I'm going to go B2B and IT as a vertical, ecosystem equals HubSpot, core service. That's probably good enough for this user. So what I'm looking for are lead generation, CRM integration, perfect. And I'm going to register interest in this agency. See, now my interest credits go down to 9. I'm immediately dropped in this profile because regardless of whether they have accepted and connected with my profile, I can do things like assign an account manager, choose a stage. I can set them up in a project, and I can assign a potential type of partnership, or maybe I hold off on that. At any time, I can remove the connection, and I can assign a task to a team member to complete. But if I am connected to this partner, I can assign a task to the actual employees at the partner program, or sorry, at the partner's company. For example, new task for Alex, grab a call, time to catch up. I'm going to put my calendar link there to do, assign to my partner, myself, and maybe that's related to an onboarding project, and I want that done by next week. You can assign yourselves tasks if you choose, so you can use this tasks area to actually create your backlog of what you want to do that day. Example task, catch up, so you can load this up for yourself. So next thing you're going to want to do after you express interest in a number of partners is to invite your partners. You can add them one at a time. You can choose to invite them. They'll get an email. It'll say it's from you. They'll have to create their profile in Partnerhub in order to access these features, but it is free for both user types. So we're trying to remove those barriers, allow you to fully enable your partners to succeed by having something like this on their end. If you want to import your partners, we do have an import option. You can import as many partners as you choose. This version is free for unlimited partners under management. The referral system is either on their profile or under referrals. You can send a referral to multiple partners simultaneously. They don't know that you've sent it to everybody. That is up to you, and you can send a referral via email address. The example there is, say you are partnered with Microsoft, and you know you're a partner, you want to report on the success of that partnership and maybe send referrals using this system so that they're all stored in one place. But Microsoft is not going to create a Partnerhub account for whatever reason. This is just an example. You would add them, and then you can still report on them. You can still have them under management. They just don't have to create a profile. All right, now we have this area called activation. I think management, this is all self-explanatory. I didn't mention documents. The documents area is for sales enablement, partner enablement, resources that show up on your profile for all of your partners. As soon as they connect, they can find those. Live offers. Live offers are important for attracting partners. Live offers allow you to create an opportunity that draws in partners, use co-marketing, use free accounts. They do have to be approved by us, and you can be very specific about what types of partners receive this offer. Here's a strategy and examples. Let's talk about directory, and then I'll talk about circles in a second. Directory allows you to enable or disable partners from being shown on your directory. You can add new partners that show up here, and you can customize the directory or even add custom options. The customization in the free version is title, slug, CTA, button link, description, and logo. In the paid version, you get another CTA, you get a lead capture form, you get the option of sending traffic to your partner's website or putting a form in the middle. When someone is on your directory, I'll show you what it looks like here, and they fill out the form on a partner's profile, that form goes off to the partner and it gets stored under profile leads. Partner leads are a little different. That's if I click here, and I'm in light mode so you don't see it well here. Let me exit this preview so you can see what this looks like. And you'll see the admin area open up because this is the admin account that we're in now. I'm going to go to dark mode, save that, and then preview this directory here. Perfect, awesome. So this CTA box goes here. This is a partner lead. I received one of these a couple days ago. Here's the lead, and I can do what I want with that. Profile leads, a little bit different. Those get sent off to your partner and stored there. The directory is free, and the upgrade option is under the paid account. Now let's talk about circles. Circles is a feature. Today is the 15th of September. We are working on right now and rolling out the beta very shortly. You'll be able to create go-to-market functions with your partners and jump into go-to-market functions that are published to the Circles marketplace. It is a very much a sales area of Partnerhub that you will want to bring salespeople in on. Now, let's go into the upgrade area. So if I was in that other account, you'll see an upgrade option on the left-hand side. The fee to upgrade includes matchmaking, CRM sync, automated enablement. I want to talk about that for a second. So a lot of my users are asking, okay, well, I want to trigger onboarding sequences. I want to automate tasks, and we are rolling out a feature allowing you to trigger automations when you set project types, stages. As soon as I hit save there, the approved stage can trigger tasks for my team, tasks for my partner, Slack alerts, email triggers, and other opportunities inside of Partnerhub as soon as that gets saved. Same thing with projects, same thing with types. You add a new project in free version, it's just a new project. If you add a new project in paid version, you see automations show up underneath the project name. That's used mainly for onboarding and alerts for your team, but you can use it however you feel fit. Now, the free version allows you to connect Zapier, so a lot of this can be done in Zapier under the free version. There's an API key. Here's what it looks like. An example is new referral received in Partnerhub. There's other triggers and options here. I want to trigger an email thanking that person for referring me a lead. I want to push that lead into HubSpot as a deal, or maybe as a contact, and maybe I just want to create a task for my team. and I want to send a Slack message to a channel that my partnership team is in so that they know that there's a new referral. Partnerhub will automatically generate an email for referrals, but that's the Zapier integration. You can also do things like when a new partner is approved and connection occurs, alert Slack and tag a partner manager to go ahead and reach out to them on LinkedIn or book a call, because as soon as you connect with a partner, their meeting link shows up. All right, so that is free versus paid. Again, the paid version comes with a whole lot. Where are you? Paid version. Unlimited partners, that is also part of the free version. We put it under the paid check because it is not something that's in our terms. So if we do start getting heavy server usage, someone adds 10,000 partners tomorrow, we may have to ping that person and say, sorry, you're overdoing it, and make them upgrade. But unlimited partners will definitely be forever on the paid version. Unlimited teammates, same deal. We do want to be as democratic as possible with Partnerhub, but we do have to make money as well. So if you start adding 25 teammates or your entire company, like when the sales features roll out and you add your entire sales team, we want to make sure that you're paying for that. Target lists, all data requests. This is a feature that allows you to pull partners into a prospecting pipeline. That's a little different than the marketplace. Marketplace is our user base. Feel free to show interest. And if you are a premium user, one of the bigger things here is you'll see profiles show up for agencies. And I can request request partnership, which is a lot more of a nudge than a show interest nudge. Just so you can see what it looks like on the agency side. New matches shows both suggestions, interests, and requests for agencies. For tech, it's just requests and suggestions. The suggestion engine is based on the matching criteria of vertical, ecosystem, core service or service you enable, and customer size. So if you're enterprise, Shopify Plus, and website design and development as an app, as a product that you enable, we're only going to match you with agencies that have those tags on their profile. It's not perfect, but it will get much better as we roll out our AI matchmaking, which will essentially say, all right, well, here are the users that have the same tags on their profiles, but let's dig into their services, to their about section. Let's go through their website and crawl their LinkedIn profile, and then suggest a partner that looks like the partners that you have already connected with. So we call it a partner fingerprint. Anyways, that is a good run through. So please ping me in Slack if you need anything. And again, if we don't know each other, nice to meet you. My name is Alex. I'm the founder, and happy to have you as a user.